What's up, YouTube? Let's look up. It's the 11th of December. We're in the middle of the windstorm. I'm really glad my neighbor's truck was not right where it usually is, in front of this other tree. That just came down about 10 minutes ago, if that. If you can even hear me in the windstorm. But yeah, it's gonna get worse too. So a lot of these trees are very old, not doing very well. So anyway, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but yeah, everything else is as expected in a big windstorm. Trees down. There you go. Just looking up, signing off.